Our project for this year is work out the force behind a stick in Minecraft, specifically when hitting peaks with those said sticks. So some things to keep in mind about this experiment are that we're pretty much basing the fact off that Minecraft is the Earth. That is to say that it has the same physics, and the rules of physics apply to it. Some other things to keep in mind are that 1 meter to the power of 3 in real life is the same as 1 block in Minecraft. So, 16 pixels basically equals 1 meter. And that on average, a pig's mass is 70 kilograms. So, for our equations for this part, so basically the main one is the kinetic energy equals 1/2 of mass times the velocity to the power of 2. Then for that we distance equals distance in real life equals the distance in pixels divided by 16. And the distance in real life divided by the time in milliseconds times 1000 equals velocity, or meters per second. So for our first trial, we didn't have any enchantments on it, and the distance in pixels was 31, and the time in milliseconds, now you have to keep in mind that there were 1000 milliseconds in a second, was 1120. So, the distance is 31 divided by 16 equals 1.9375 meters. Okay, so the velocity is 1.9375 divided by 1120 times 1000 equals 1.729910714 meters per second. Okay, so the mass, and this stays the same for every single one, equals 70 divided by 2 equals 35. So the total kinetic energy equals 35 times 1.729910714 to the power of 2. And that equals 104.74068777 kilojoules. So, for the second trial, we had Knockback 1 as an enchantment, and the distance in pixels was 50, and the time in milliseconds was 800. So, for trial 2, the distance was 50 divided by 16 equals 3.125 meters. The velocity was 3.125 meters divided by 800 times 1000 equals 3.90625 meters per second. And the mass, which is the same as the last one, was 70 divided by 2 equals 35. So the kinetic energy was 35 times 3.90625 to the power of 2. And that equaled 534.0576172 kilojoules. For trial 3, we had Knockback 2 as an enchantment. The distance was 98 pixels, and the time was 750 milliseconds. In trial 3, the distance, 98 divided by 16 equals 6.125 meters. The velocity equals 6.125 meters divided by 750 times 1000 equals 8.16 reoccurring meters per second. The mass, as usual, is 70 divided by 2 equals 35 kilograms. The kinetic energy is 35 times 8.16 reoccurring to the power of 2 equals 2,334.305556 kilojoules. That's the same as someone throwing a 50 kilogram weight across the room in under a second. Thank you for watching our Math Talent Quest video. This video was made by Aaron Cadney, Casey Bradshaw and Lachlan Kirkwood. Thank you.